Okay, so we're going to review some skills and add another one. This segment is called tacking. Okay, so we're going to control our threads by holding them in our hand back and away toward 1 o'clock. We're going to use the right pedal to disengage the locking system on the presser foot. So holding the pedal and pressing down the pedal, holding the thread, drop the presser feet onto the goods. Now, on tacking. Why do we call it on tacking? Because we're loading onto the material. Completely different than removing the material, which is called off tacking. Okay, so we want to control our thread for a minimum of 3 stitches. So here's 1, 2, 3. At this point, we can let go of the thread, and now we're going to cycle the machine into the reverse. So I'm going to take my hand and put it on the reverse lever and push down. Here we go, 3 stitches backwards. This is an on tack, so now continue out to the end. This is the hypothetical end of our seam, except we haven't secured the thread yet. So what we want to do is called off tacking. Okay, so we want to go backwards 3 stitches. So using my hand on the reverse lever, cycle the reverse lever down and continue stitching. 1, 2, 3. This is a complete off tack. Release the reverse lever and cycle 1 more, and now the goods are completely tacked. So we would want to remove the textiles or do an operation called a chain off and load the next piece. So I'm going to use my needle deploy or my thread deploy system, pull out about 3 inches here, raise the feet, push my material out of the way, and load the next piece right behind it. Holding the work piece behind it, on tack. 1, 2, 3. Reverse. At this point, we've completed the on tack and sew out to the end. Cycle into the reverse. And remember the last forward one. Now our goods have a very minimal amount of wasted thread, and we've completely on tacked, off tacked. We're going to use the finger deploy method and remove both pieces at the same time. Clean up our mess by trimming off all the excess thread. And we've successfully on-tacked, loaded the material, on-tacked, sewn a seam, off-tacked, and chained off to the next workpiece. Done.